Welcome, this is Binu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. Like every year, the 11th International Yoga Day was observed this year as well at the Jivandeep Old Age Home in Fakirtila, Silchar, under the Government of India. The event was held on Saturday from 7 a.m. and continued for an hour, during which the elderly residents of the home participated in yoga exercises. Speaking on the occasion, Srimad Vigyan Ananda Brahmachari Maharaj, the administrative head of Silchar, Shankar Math and Mission, said, "Yoga is a powerful force that helps control the movements of the mind. In today's world, yoga holds immense importance in every person's life." Among those who assisted in organizing the event were project in charge Surabita Datta, Superintendent Nivedita Barman, yoga instructor Debashish Nath, Humayun Chaudhary, Amiruddin Chaudhary, Kabir Ahmed Chaudhary and others. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube and support us by following our Facebook page.
যোগা এমন একটা জিনিস যা আমরা জীবনে যদি যোগকে অবলম্বন করতে পারি তাহলে নিজের জীবন সুস্থ সবল এবং সুন্দর জীবন অতিবাহিত হবে।